Hello everybody. Now we are just going to see the topic of intelligence. What is meant by intelligence? So we know artificial means man-made, intelligence means thinking power. So man-made is quite common for all programming languages or whatever the product we design, right? That is comes under artificial thing. Whereas intelligence is a very important thing. We just want to know how to make a machine an intelligent one, right? So this topic is mainly concentrate about how intelligence it can be make it to work in a machine. So intelligence, where we never come across in any programming language, we just come across only the structured one or unstructured one, the programming language, the syntax and semantics, whatever the things we have seen in so far the programming language, we didn't come across the word what is about intelligent. It's a very important thing we must want to know about intelligence here in artificial intelligence, where it is very important. We make a machine to think and work like a human, right? So this topic is main about what is about intelligence, how we can make the machine or robot to make to think like a human by evolving intelligent into it. So intelligence, which means ability of a system to reason reason, perceive relationship and analogies, learn from experience, store and retrieve information from memory, solve problem, comprehend complex ideas, natural language fluency, classify, generalize and adapt new situation. So right, it is an intelligence. So how we are saying this guy or this girl is an intelligent one, right? So all these factors have to concentrate, all these factors have to adapt or concentrate more on that particular thing, right? So its A is mainly focused chiefly on the following component of intelligence. So before what are the things I said, right? All those are generic about what is about intelligence, right? So how this intelligence, the way how A is focused, which is the area the A is focused, the concept of intelligent. So it's mainly concentrate about learning, reasoning, problem solving, language understanding and perception, right? Here in the diagrammatic representation, it's clearly about what the intelligence. So intelligence may be several factors that can be comes under for human, which I said earlier, right? So what is AI? Artificial intelligence mainly focused on these these 5 factors. It is about reasoning, linguistic intelligence, learning, perception, and then comes to problem solving. So let me see in detail about what is meant by reasoning. So in terms of AI, we are just correlate what is all these 5 factors is mainly concentrate about, right? So comes to reasoning. So reasoning, which enable to provide basis of judgment, making decision, prediction. Whereas learning, gaining knowledge by learning different skills, practicing, studying. So what is meant perception, which means process of acquiring, interpreting, selecting, organizing sensor information, right? So the reasoning is nothing but judgment, making a decision based on the thing we are just predicting about it. So all these comes under the reasoning. So that is very important for intelligence concept through AI, right? And comes to learning. So we are just taking information from different skills, we are just studying, gaining knowledge through it. That is called learning is about. Perception, which is process of acquiring, getting information, selecting, organizing sensor information. So all these are comes under the perception. Next comes to problem solving. Problem solving, which means we know in early days problem solving, AI is mainly used for problem solving. So if there is a complex situation that has to solve, they knock the door of AI, and using the concept of AI, they try to solve the problems through this AI concept, right? So this a problem solving which says about working through details of problem to reach solution and also decision making. Working through details of problems. So problem solving is the biggest factor that we will see in later classes. So it's a biggest factor. There are several approaches have to be tried to attain a solution. So the main aim of the artificial intelligence, we know, to achieve a goal, right? So what all the problems have gone through, what all the problems that has to be acquire those knowledge through several intelligence concept, right? Several perceptions. So we have to study through learning. We have to reasoning thing that this might be the reason. This might be. So we have to try this approach to solve particular problem, right? That is what the problem solving is main about. Then comes to linguistic intelligence. We know linguistic intelligence, which means ability to use, comprehend, speak and write the verbal and written language, right? We know the term natural NLP, right? Natural language processing. So this linguistic intelligence, which means helps to speak and write verbal and written English. So if we make a machine, so just making a machine is not a task, right? In artificial intelligence, we have to make a machine for a particular problem that has to speak and write. So the problem is that has to speak and write. So for that, using NLP concept like natural language processing, right? So using that NLP concept, using this linguistic intelligence concept, it can easy for a machine to speak and write, that is using the verbal and written English concept, right? So all these five components are very important for intelligence. So intelligence not only about retrieve information or stores the information and classify the information or generalize or adapt a new situation or calculate the reasoning or perceive relationship or analysis, learn from experience. Not only about all these about intelligence, but also the artificial intelligence, intelligence about mainly these five factors focused on, which is learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception and language understanding. So all these five things are very important for artificial intelligence, that has to make a machine in an intelligent way. You can also say that making a machine in intelligent way, that all these five things are very important to make a machine in an intelligent way in order to achieve a goal, right? So next in the next topic, we just see in brief about all these thing about what is the agents and so on, so things, right? Thank you.